don't have to be the top of your class or get every single cert that they offer here to be able to go and chase your dreams and on the road. Getting ready to take a combo monster and a 309 TIG out monster out in Phoenix, Arizona. Since graduating KWI, I've taken advantage of the broad spectrum of the trade and been able to go into a lot of different aspects of welding, as far as anywhere from marine construction to plant welding, paper mills, refineries, you name it, power plants. It's been interesting, and it's taken me all over the place for sure. When I graduated, I barely had a single pipe cert, and that's what I came here for, is to weld pipe, but wasn't satisfied with how far I got. But a couple years down the road after graduating, I'm going to weld at a nuclear plant in Arizona, do a shutdown down there. One thing that I wish I had told myself when I was starting out is that I just needed to trust the process and focus on keeping at it. Don't give up, don't stop. It'll work itself out as long as you keep going. That's been my mentality, even though I have no idea how it will work out. Just that blind faith that it will somehow, some way.